Hey guys, go with RPM Diecast, and today we're going to be looking at the Kaido House Datsun 510 Street V1. It's the pink one. It's considered the Homer Simpson car. I've already opened it, but yeah, see, it looks like kind of like the Homer Simpson car, as they call it. But a lot of different variations between the Street and the Pro Street. We'll jump into that after. I'm going to go get some close-uppies. We got some close-up shots of the 510, the pink 510, and then we will come back after. That was the Datsun 510 Street V1. There is a few differences between the regular Street and the Pro Street, and I'm just going to go over those quickly right now. The first thing I noticed right away when I got the Street was the wheel size. The regular Street, like the Homer car one, they have really tiny back wheels, when the Pro Street has some beefcakes on there. Look how big those are compared. Another thing too are the wings. So there's a ducktail and the regular flat one that the Pro Streets have. I prefer the ducktail myself. That's just a personal thing. Another thing too is the mirrors. There's no mirrors on the Pro Street. There's mirrors on the regular Street. They both have roll cages. Why do I keep doing that? Roll cages. They both have the oil slick bases. They both have the detailed engines. I personally probably would prefer the Pro Street myself. The white on white interior of this car is beautiful. But yeah, still really nice cars. Really enjoy this one because I'm a huge pink, love pink cars. Definitely thought though it was going to be the Pro Street casting and they just threw mirrors, a wing on it, but no, it's a totally different casting and it looks fantastic. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll be doing a giveaway. I'm gonna have some info about that probably in the next video, so stay tuned for that. And check out, I've already said check out some of our other videos, so keep on collecting.